Hi, I'm Lindsay Juilliard, co-owner of Cookie Doughlicious. Cookie Doughlicious is the brainchild of my husband and I. We saw a video on Facebook back in, I think it was February 2017, of a place in New York City called Dough. Saw the video of edible cookie dough and we're like, why not here? And this is us bringing it to Toledo.
Like a lot of kids, including yours truly, Lindsay loved indulging in cookie dough as a child.
Yeah, we made cookies all the time. I always remember getting out spoons and eating the cookie dough. My dad would always be in the other room and we'd have to get him a little Dixie cup full and hide it in the refrigerator so he'd get his stash later. We've been eating cookie dough our whole life. This is gonna end up being about 10 pounds of cookie dough. Edible cookie dough is making normal cookie dough and swapping out 2 ingredients, the eggs for pasteurized eggs and flour for heat-treated flour. Those 2 ingredients being treated specifically for germs and bacteria make them safe to eat raw. There's a variety of flavors that we offer and it's just making people happy, and that's, my husband always laughs at me because I always love happy. This is the base dough for quite a few of our flavors, the M&M, the cookies and cream, and this is essentially our plain Jane dough. I would just scoop this into containers and this is plain Jane. There are quite a few people that like cookie dough with nothing in it.
How hard is it to not eat the product?
Who says I don't eat it? Yeah, there's always that quality control. I have to try every batch just to make sure I didn't miss something. My son ate half a container after breakfast today. He saw me getting out cookie dough and I kinda had to give it to him, otherwise I wasn't gonna hear the end of it. So he did very well. He likes the s'mores dough.
And the s'mores dough is what brought me out.
S'mores, we tried this when we first started the business back in 2017, but we just couldn't get it right. It just wasn't tasting correct. We were doing normal marshmallows and it just wasn't giving you that s'mores melty feeling. So we changed it up and started with the marshmallow fluff and a couple of different things, and it worked out quite well. This gives it that more of a s'more feeling as opposed to having full-size marshmallows. I would definitely take a marshmallow, still roast it like you normally would, and then throw this on top of a graham cracker and throw your marshmallow on top. And from here, it just gets scooped into containers or scooped into cups, depending on what we're doing it for. Today we'll scoop them into containers since this is for our wholesale business and not the truck business. Summertime is our busiest time for the truck and for our wholesale. People definitely want cold cookie dough when they go to a store. On the trailer, we offer sundaes. You can mix your dough with ice cream. We have chocolate and vanilla, and then we'll have a rotating flavor. You can add different toppings, whipped cream. We just recently did a buy 4, get cookies free. You get cookies, it's a cookie dough sandwich. You get 2 of our triple threat cookies, and then squished in the middle is our chocolate chip edible cookie dough. That went over really, really well. To find us, you can check out our Facebook page or our website, cookiedoughliciousOH.com. Cookie_Doughlicious for the Instagram page. We got lots of fun stuff there, and we'll sometimes do some cookie dough stories as we're making it in the kitchen downtown. So you see our big 50-pound batches of cookie dough going. It's a lot of fun.